Ilang beses mo nang sinabi na okay ka lang sa LDR. Kahit deep inside, pagod ka na. Para sa ito. Kasi minsan, love is still there. Pero yung energy to keep fighting for the relationship, unti-unti, nawawala. Dati, excited kayo mag-usap for hours. Ngayon, minsan hindi mo na alam kung anong pag-uusapan nyo. And that's the scary part. Hindi dahil wala ng love, pero because the connection is slowly fading. At ito yung hindi naiintindihan ng iba. LDR is not just about loyalty. Hindi sapat na wala akong ibang kinakausap. You also need presence, effort, and reassurance. Kasi kahit faithful yung tao, kung emotionally absent naman siya, you'll still feel alone. And sometimes, yun yung masakit. Yung may partner ka nga, pero yung pakiramdam mo, mag-isa ka pa rin. Kaya wag mong i-ignore ang pagbabago. Kapag puro bare minimum na lang, puro busy ako, puro dry conversations, don't just call it normal. Because relationships don't suddenly die overnight. Unti-unti silang nawawala kapag pareho kayong tumigil sa effort. Minsan, hindi distance ang sumisira sa LDR. Minsan, dalawang tao lang na parehong napagod, pero parehong ayaw maunang bumitaw.